Module 5, Revising the Contrast Essay. In this module, you are going to go through a series of steps that are going to assist you in effectively revising your contrast essay. First, you need to go back and review Chapter 5 in the textbook, which deals with revision strategies. You should also go back to Module 3 and look at the resources book that provides a summary of Chapter 5. Once you have looked over Chapter 5 again, go back and look at the original assignment for the essay, making sure that you are very clear what was asked of you in performing the writing of the essay. Once you've done that, and with the assignment fresh in your mind, look back over your first draft. You should, given the time between when you wrote it and now that you're looking at it again, you should see a number of problems that you would like to fix in your revision. This is always the first step in revision. You need to see the essay again. Remember, revision means simply re-seeing. In order to better prepare you to make the changes you need to make on your essay, in the resource book, I have provided for you a first draft of the essay that was written by a student who previously took this class. I've also provided you with that student's revision of the essay. Look through the first and look through the second. You should be able to identify the moves, the strategies that the student writer employed in order to make the essay more effective. That does not mean, however, that everything in the revision is fine. You'll find that in the revision there are some problems. And if you look at the write-up in the resource book, you'll see those addressed. But this should give you a good idea of how a student just like you was able to revise this essay. Looking at a revision is very helpful, but what's even more helpful is actually doing revision. It's a lot easier for you to look at someone else's writing and identify problems and fix them. It's simply easier for you to be objective about writing that's not your own. And yet, that objectivity is the attitude you need to possess in order to be a good reviser of your own writing. So, in the form assignment this week, I've given you a paragraph from a student essay, and I'm asking you to revise the paragraph so that it conforms to the specifications of the assignment and that it conforms to what you have learned about good academic writing. This should go a long way towards teaching you how to approach revising your own essays. And finally, after having gone through this practice, it will be time to revise your own essay. Please take your time, be objective, don't be afraid to make changes, but make sure that the changes you make have a purpose. As I say in the description of this module, you want to revise with purpose. There needs to be a reason for all the changes you make. So, what I'm taking you through in this module is finding those reasons and then executing those revisions. Good luck. I'm sure you'll all do great.